questo non ti potere di qualsiasi quanto. Have you tried to manipulate expanding space in anywhere? Have you tried to make it expand faster? If it existed, then surely you could try to do something about it. Have you tried to do something about it? There is no electrons outside expanding nuclei of atoms. When you're sending expanding light that way, where is expanding nuclei of atoms? Is expanding photons interactive with expanding dark energy, which pushing out from expanding nuclei of atoms? And they're born new expanding electrons from that expanding dark energy. Now you think that this electrons was already there, and you don't understand that you create new expanding electrons. Truth was too much for all physicists and cosmologists. In the nuclei of atoms, there are congestion areas of energy that is scattered into space, and that recycle the energy that is scattered into space and push each other away from each other in the same ratio as they expand. The expanding nuclei of atoms recycle the expanding dark energy from which, under certain conditions, undetectable particles such as electrons and photons are created, which are still composed of energy that is scattered into space, i.e., they are also expanding all the time. It is not space that is expanding. Only losers explain observations in terms of space, doing tricks. You will never achieve a theory of everything in physics if you think that space can affect events or do any tricks. Space is an infinite, three-dimensional stage that is nothing at all. Space can do nothing. Are all quarks the same, or can they be different, as is currently assumed? If there are any differences, what kind and why? In my view, only the density and volume can vary in relation to each other, while they recycle the energy that is scattered into space, of which they all consist. Of other words, are different quarks meaning, or could they still be similar to each other? Congestion areas of energy that are scattered into space with the same density and volume, that recycle the energy that is scattered into space, etc. But why do particle accelerator experiments produce information in particle collisions that there are several different quarks? Let's assume that more energy that is scattered into space is constantly being pushed into the quarks that are expanding in space, so that all the expanding quarks that are circulating the energy that is scattered into space are exactly the same. Their density and volume in relation to each other can be changed when their speed is accelerated in particle accelerators.